Oh. Now it's live in Kuwait, sorry. Recorded live. Recorded live. We are live here now in Kuwait. Yes. Yeah, I almost go home. Just enjoy the place. Just kaliwali my career. Oh yeah. I almost go home. Good thing my workmate before me thinking going home last 2 days kalas may karama, may visa. So last 2 days my workmate call telling if I need work because me already apply repatriation. Yes, almost me going home. Oh my goodness, almost. Shout out to Chef Albert of same MJ before, because we worked before in MJ, no? In Burger. So live here in Korean Lulu. Enjoy. Now too much different now, the Korean. Before this Korean like simple only, but now too much establishment, too much shop, too much business now here. Me go crazy me, a little crazy when I see too much different now the Korean, because before this one same like bet only, but now see too much establishment there until there, very far there. See the Al Nasser, Rames. Now have here Rames. Yes. Only vlog me 3 minutes only in Korean. See, now have Rames. This Rames, Al Nasser also. This Rames too much cheap here. You go here Rames, you too much saving you. Yes, too much saving you. So if you plan sending cargo, there Rames number 1. Same in Shuik, because in Shuik have Rames also. Too much saving Rames. Jawar Al Qurain. Yes. Now start summer. It starts summer, and then very hot. May almost go home, no? Continue the story. Because if me go home Philippines, different content. Too much zooming my face. Why too much zooming my face? Too much big. Si Rames. There my work. I almost go home. I applied already repatriation, because if mapi Shokol, mapi employer, maybe me already Philippines. Maybe no more Kuwait content, because maybe if I go home my content different. Yes, different content. No more Kuwait content. Very good. Yala, already 3 minutes. Let's go. See, too much left side, right side. Too much this one. Establishment. Okay, bye. Thank you, bye.